What are some of the problems that you're looking to solve for athletes, and how are you going to go about solving those problems?
Now, I'm not going to say I'm an athlete, but I like to think of myself as an athlete. So, because I do a lot of exercise, and I need to be in great shape to do the kind of chiropractic care that I do on a daily basis. So, the things that I think that are lacking, I think when an athlete comes to me, let's just assume that their macronutrients are good, and let's assume that they're getting fruits and vegetables, and that stuff is good. So how can you fine tune? How can you make someone that's up here increase their level of fitness or optimize their body's ability to perform any sport they want to perform? So that's why I started my supplement company, to give them to basically fill in these small gaps to help them achieve the things that they want to achieve when just food and what's out there is not enough. Because the supplements that are on the market now, I'm not a big fan of. I don't like the fillers. I don't like the inactive ingredients. Just for example, a pre-workout. There's plenty of pre-workout nutrients out there. They all have a lot of caffeine in there. I'm not a big fan of caffeine. It's very taxing on the adrenal system. It raises cortisol levels. The higher your cortisol levels are, then your ability to repair decreases. It puts a tax on your immune system. So in one way, you might be getting a better workout, but then on the other hand, you're not repairing as well. So I'm formulating a pre-workout that's stimulant-free, that's going to be really designed to boost their workout performance and focus during the workout with using certain natural ingredients that aren't relying on caffeine, but also help reduce lactic acid, help their body repair better. I'm working on an immune system booster, certain mushroom extracts and nutrients that build their immune system so that when they're really taxing their body during training or they're in a workout camp, that they're not getting sick, they're not getting run down, which can really, just put a hammer to the whole training program. I'm working on a recovery drink that is designed so when they're done their exercise to help nourish their body, lower cortisol levels, allow them to repair faster. So a lot of what I'm focusing on now is filling in these small, tiny gaps that they're not getting through normal and even healthy eating. They're not getting these certain nutrients that can really, again, optimize their performance and their well-being.